welcome. Today we're going to demonstrate how you can systematically construct a database incorporating insights derived from your video assets. We've previously demonstrated how to leverage Vertex AI's Video Intelligence APIs for simplified video analysis. This minimal code process generates valuable text data, which adds crucial context to your video assets. If you're new to Google Cloud's Video Intelligence APIs, worry not. We'll provide a link to our previous tutorial in the description box, but it should not be essential to follow along with this video. Contrary to our previous ad hoc approach with the APIs, in this tutorial we'll be utilizing Vertex AI pipelines to meticulously build our database of video insights. While we'll be using Video Intelligence APIs, we'll also employ Python libraries for straightforward metadata extraction. We're transitioning from console prints to loading data into a BigQuery data warehouse. With the vision explained, let's dive into the Google Cloud Console and Cloud Shell IDE to set up our assets. As per usual, the diagram file and all the code will be provided in the video's description. To kick off, we'll enable the recommended Vertex APIs in our new project. Next, we'll create a cloud storage bucket for our video assets and pipeline artifacts. Utilizing the Cloud Shell IDE, we can fetch a few sample files that Google Cloud has provided. Note that the size of your video files will directly impact costs after surpassing the free tier of Video Intelligence API usage. After moving these files to our new Video Intelligence database bucket, we proceed to create our dataset where we'll be loading the data into BigQuery. We'll then draft our Python script. You are at liberty to use whichever IDE environment suits you best. However, the Cloud Shell IDE may prove convenient due to its CLI pre-configurations and effortless authentication process. There's substantial code powering this Video Intelligence database. However, rest assured we'll guide you through every aspect. In the first component, we analyze the video for shot start and end times. We're simply calling the Video Intelligence API here and using more or less boilerplate code. The next component is very similar technically, but focuses on the feature of optical character recognition. The third analysis component, we're using Python AV libraries to extract video metadata. Finally, the data will then be methodically loaded into BigQuery. Our pipeline at the bottom simply strings these components together. After successful Kubeflow pipelines package installation, we'll forge ahead to compile our pipeline. If everything goes as expected, we should be in the clear to transmit this compiled pipeline into our chosen bucket. Next up, we're going to look at using Vertex AI to execute the pipeline run. We'll specify our cloud storage video files of interest as a key part of the pipeline run setup. Once the pipeline kicks into gear, you'll have the chance to monitor tasks being ticked off for each video by simply expanding the parallel block. After successful execution of the pipeline, you'll see firsthand how the video shots have been inferred and channeled into BigQuery, along with the text and metadata for all our videos. For a more in-depth look at this data, steer over to the BigQuery previews. Here you'll discover tables for video metadata, text recognition, and shots data. Sometimes it's advantageous to outline the schemas in BigQuery before setting the pipeline in motion to sidestep potential roadblocks related to type inference. We'll provide some SQL code for that in case your experimentation requires it. Don't forget to check out the video description for the code and diagram file, and feel free to drop any questions in the comment section. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We pay attention to these feedback signals, and it helps us create even more helpful content for you. With that, thanks for watching, and please enjoy responsibly.